Hello everyone, this is Shivani again with a very new topic, that is adverbs. Let us see what does it mean. Adverbs, the words which describe or tell about how, when and where something has happened are called adverbs. By the name itself it is clear that adverbs, it says add verbs, means those words which adds something to the verb. Verb means action word. Verb मतलब action words, और ऐसे words जो कि verb में कुछ और add करते हैं, they are called adverbs. Let's see few more examples of this. Look at the picture. The boy was moving slowly. ये जो boy है, he was moving slowly. Now see, the boy was moving quickly. The boy was moving quickly. I hope the sentences are very much clear. In the first sentence, it says जो boy है, ये जो लड़का है, ये बहुत धीरे धीरे चल रहा था, मूव कर रहा था. एंड इन another picture it says जो बॉय है वो बहुत तेज मूव कर रहा था. द बॉय वॉज रनिंग yesterday, और जो बॉय है वो कल हिल रहा था, चल रहा था, मूव कर रहा था, whatever. See, few more things are there, few more examples. The baby is sleeping calmly. The baby is sleeping calmly. मतलब बेबी जो है वो बहुत ही शांति से सो रहा है. The baby is sleeping inside. Look at the picture. In this picture, a baby is sleeping in the room. So it says the baby is sleeping inside. Another picture. The baby was sleeping at night. The baby was sleeping at night. You can see the stars and the moon in the picture. So it means that the baby was sleeping at night. Now, what do you understand by these sentences? Let's recall the sentences again. The boy was moving slowly. The boy was moving quickly. The boy was moving yesterday. The baby is sleeping calmly. The baby is sleeping inside, and the baby was sleeping at night. Now, what does it mean? Words which are written in blue. Okay, the words which are written in blue are the verbs. ये सबको बहुत अच्छे से clear है कि जो words हमने blue color से लिखे हैं, those are the verbs. These are the action words. Okay. Now, the words written in red are the adverbs. अब ये जो red color से लिखे हुए words हैं, these are the adverbs. अब ये कैसे हुआ ये adverbs? एक बार मैं आपको दोबारा clear करती हूँ. देखो, the boy was moving. The boy was moving अपने आप में एक complete sentence है. It's a complete sentence. अगर हम उसके आगे slowly नहीं लिखते तो भी वो अपने आप में एक complete sentence होता. The boy was moving. That means कि boy जो है वो move कर रहा था. Now the sentence says the boy was moving slowly. जो boy है वो move कर रहा था. Moving is an verb. ठीक है, moving is a verb. तो जो verb है वो कैसे हुआ है? Slowly हुआ है. कोई भी जो काम किया गया था वो कैसे किया गया था? बहुत ही slowly किया गया था. The boy was moving quickly. जो boy है वो तेजी से चल रहा था. ठीक है, किस तरह से हुआ था? तेजी से. The boy was moving yesterday. जो boy है वो कब चल रहा था? Yesterday, जो बीत गया कल, वो वाला. Baby sleeping calmly. Baby जो है वो किस तरह से सो रहा है? बहुत ही काम होकर, बहुत ही शांति से सो रहा है. The baby is sleeping inside. Baby जो है वो कहाँ पर सो रहा है? Inside, अंदर. And the baby was sleeping at night. Okay, it means adverbs are the verbs जो आपको बताते हैं कि कोई भी verb जो हुआ है, कोई भी जो काम हुआ है, वो कैसे हुआ है, that is how, कहाँ हुआ है where, and कब हुआ है when. Okay, there are 3 kinds of adverbs which you have to remember. They are how, when and where. Okay, how is कैसे, when is कब, where is कहाँ. ठीक है, कोई भी जो verb हुआ है वो कब हुआ है, कहाँ हुआ है, कैसे हुआ है, जिन वर्ड से हमें ये चीज पता चले, they are called the adverbs. Now I'll give you the examples of how adverbs first. See, sweetly. कोई भी काम जो है वो बहुत ही प्यार से किया गया है. Politely बोला गया है. Loudly चिल्लाकर, slowly धीरे से. Angrily गुस्से में. Badly बहुत ही बुरी तरह से किया गया कोई काम या बोला गया. Lazily बहुत ही लेजी वे में कोई काम हो रहा है. बहुत काइंडली कोई काम किया गया. परफेक्टली काम किया गया. Easily, bravely and fast. Okay, here you can see every word has ly at the end. It's a very simple clue that those words which ends with ly, okay, they comes under the how adverb. But except fast. Fast itself is an adverb. You cannot add ly at the end. That is, fastly जैसा कोई word नहीं आप बना सकते. Fastly is like there's no word called fastly. It is only fast. Okay, these are the few examples of how adverb. Now coming to when adverb. कोई भी काम जो है वो कब किया गया. Always, like हमेशा होता है कोई काम. Before, पहले किया गया, किसी काम से पहले कोई काम किया गया. Early, early means बहुत ही जल्दी. Daily, every day जिसे कहते हैं हम. Tonight मतलब आज रात को. Yesterday जो बीत गया कल. Today आज. Soon जल्दी ही. Last year पिछले साल. Last night पिछली रात को. Now अभी अभी. Tomorrow आने वाले कल. Okay, now see let's see few examples of where adverb. Where is कहाँ पर कोई काम जो हुआ है. Inside अंदर. Outside बाहर. Nearby पास ही. Like nearby मतलब बिल्कुल साथ में ही हो जो कोई चीज या कोई काम जो हुआ हो. Then everywhere is चारों तरफ. Like हम सब हर तरफ. Everywhere is हर तरफ. Nowhere कहीं भी नहीं. Here यहाँ. There वहाँ. Behind पीछे. Anywhere कहीं पर भी कोई भी चीज हो सकती है ना. Anywhere is कहीं पर भी. Everywhere is सब तरफ. Upstairs सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ के ऊपर. Downstairs नीचे सीढ़ियों से नीचे. And elsewhere मतलब यहाँ को छोड़कर बाकी किसी भी जगह पर. Okay, so you have to remember these adverbs which I have given you the examples. And once again, adverbs are the words which add something to the verb. मतलब कोई भी verb जो हुआ है वो how it has happened, when it has happened and where it has happened. Okay, so that's all. Take care and bye bye.